All right, here's another video about my Atlas 7B shaper. Previous video, I could not get the thing running. I got the motor runs just fine. The ram would not move. So I ended up oiling it up really good and just moving around by hand until it just operated like real smooth. So now the motor's able to do it, able to power the thing up. So one of the issues I think is that's a replacement motor. I'm not sure if there's enough horsepower there. It's a 3rd horsepower. So maybe someone can inform me whether or not that's enough to keep this thing running. Seems like when I adjust the pulley in other positions, it still won't operate the ram. So it's kind of hard to do with the camera right now, but anyways, I'll fire it up and discovered another problem. So hopefully it's not something that can't be fixed, because it's kind of annoying. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So there she is, running nice and good. The problem is that table bounces around quite a bit. That table weighs a lot too. So I don't like that. And I really don't want to bolt it to the floor. And that gets worse the more distance you put on that ram. See that bouncing around? So hopefully someone can offer me a solution on that. Now, one of the things I'm hoping is I got the ram guard off. I'm not sure if that's the proper name for it, but that goes right here. And the belt cover is off. Now, those things don't weigh a lot, but they definitely weigh a decent amount. I'm hoping that counterbalances this. So those are drying right now with new paint. Hopefully that's gonna solve this issue. All right, thanks guys.